Look at it tapping. Go ahead and touch it, guys. Look. Wow, that's crazy.
It's an island. Well, a vibe in it. Yeah. It's an island. Boy.
One beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, guys. So the family they are today.
Wait,
they have this thing that they use to take out yabbies out of the sand, which is a thing that they use to fish.
Yes.
You guys remember from a recent video I did in Sydney when we went fishing. Bought some yabbies from a fish shop. Which is they're called yabbies? Yabbies. So guys, we'll be trying this for the first time. They look different. I think I seen them on Back to Basic video. Yeah, so that's what they look like, guys. So apparently they're baits. So I'm gonna try it out, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. I've seen them doing it here before, but this is the first time I'm gonna try it. This is not actually mine. This is my brother-in-law's. Yeah. So apparently you have to look for the holes in the sand, and then stick it in the sand and pump it.
Pull it up. Yeah.
So
he'll give you a trial.
I'm gonna try it today. Wait, so you sink this part too?
No, that's what you pull up. Yeah, no, you don't have to do it so deep. You just do it like, so you get in the water. No, sort of more into like the watery parts, babes. I think, yeah, like not right in the water, but close to where it's more slimy or soft, I should say. Alan, stop that now. Take your shoes and socks off if you want to play.
Sometimes that's how they find the worms as well. The same way they find the worms.
I'm not sure.
Oh, okay. Hole right here. And it goes, the stems here, is here.
And they're quite fast, so you got to be quick.
I wouldn't mind seeing one. That would be good. To say yes, this actually works.
You maybe try a little bit more into.
Let me try it out.
Baby, you're supposed to put it in the water first, then suck it up. No.
Birthday, Dada. Yeah, I'm in casino. I'm in casino. Birthday coming up, Dada.
Yes, Alan.
Yes.
Again.
Bucket.
See here, it's soft.
Oh, bucket.
It's easy here, like you just gotta find the.
Bucket.
What? It's pretty, isn't it? So you have to go out there, babes. That would probably be the best bet.
Bucket, huh?
You cold?
Yeah.
Hey?
Dada, I'm coming.
So we're going at a new spot now, guys. Yeah? Nice. Get into a new spot.
Yeah.
Fishing today, Bobby.
Yes, fishing day.
Yeah. That's my brother-in-law there, Ruben.
And have fishy and sun fishy knuckles and Emmy and knuckles.
Okay, good.
Yeah, easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
1, 2, 3, go.
What was that? It's apparently it's a long walk. So yeah, the journey look far for real based on how far the ocean looks.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Be careful, Island. Let me hold you. This trail is beautiful. You good, babe? Baby? You good? Yeah. Okay. Keep going, Bobo.
Okay, I'm going.
Yeah. I love these kind of walks. Oh, look at this. Fall from the trees. Look at these things, guys. What the hell is this? They're all over the trees and they fall. Wow, they're everywhere, all of these trees. Wow. Walking on plain sand, guys, white sand. Yeah, break stop.
Loves it. We almost went into the water back there when we were trying to get Yabby.
Oh, really?
Why did you go to the pub? Yeah, it's alright. The pump's good. Yeah? We did, but you're going to have to give it a good wash.
Get any work?
Nothing at all.
Only a small crab I saw came up. A little tiny crab.
When the water comes in,
Yeah.
shore, and you see the little bubbles,
Yeah.
then you use a pump. That's where the
Oh,
pump is pulling out.
okay, those ones.
If we go down this way, we're going to probably be walking for maybe another kilometre or 2.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking we might go
Another
this
trail.
way here, and we'll go towards the cliff, and then we'll make our way down.
Yeah.
The beaches, yeah? Okay. So we'll go this way. Island,
That's where we're coming from. Going this way, guys. It's a epic view, guys.
Never even knew it existed.
For real.
Careful, Island.
and you know what, Tyrone? I think the weather is not bad, huh?
Yeah.
The ocean's
Wow.
good too.
Well, we can see the wave them down there big. So what's this right here? Some kind of power generator thing?
Yeah.
Oh, a lighthouse.
Sort of like tank, some tank.
Oh, there's a light thing on the top. Like, yeah. Oh wow.
Wow, so pretty.
What?
Wow, so pretty, Mom.
What a view. Must catch big fish as of real. Probably all those tunas and things come here.
Yeah, salmon. Like we had a really nice salmon today.
Yeah, very
Yeah,
fresh.
It was so fresh, Rube.
Well, you told me I want to catch one.
So fresh, Rube. And I had some whiting. That was fresh too.
Oh, yeah?
Whoa.
No.
I'll be coming, babe. Just gonna look at that. So we're going somewhere down there.
Come on, go. Come on.
Come on, Island.
Come on, let's go. Oh, come on, Uncle.
Come.
Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go.
Come.
Hold the bucket, babe. Let me take him.
Yeah.
Come. All right.
Stand up there.
Press the button
Stand up where the glass is.
What?
on the GoPro. Look,
What?
on my head. Press the
Okay.
button. Press the button.
Yeah.
Careful.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Well guys, so there's a cliff down there. The water comes all the way up here and goes out there. So just so you guys know, it might be very windy because we're going out on the point now. So yeah, bear with me, alright? But here's the view coming up. Epic view, guys. Boy, I want pee. Wow, what a view. This hill is quite scary, like somewhere you'd roll off as well. Nice. Kangaroo, guys. Just feeding off the edge of the grass. Two of them. Second one right there. This one right here is really big. Look at it tapping. Big, you know? Them are feed, guys. Babe said this is called Echidna. I'm gonna try to get close to it and see, guys. I don't know if they're fast or they're slow. Do they block? No? So it's right here, guys. Oh look! They form into the shape. I'm guessing it feels threatened. So it forms into the... What? I've never seen this. Is my first time seeing this, guys. I'm very scared. I don't even know if this attacker moves very slow. What? Guys, are you seeing this right now? What? It looks, guys. That's all spike there. No, I'm not gonna dare to do that. Take a good look at it, guys. hiding.
I think it's walking.
So they
Those spikes.
yeah.
Those spikes will freaking attack.
Yeah.
But you can pick them up. You just, yeah.
Wow. So it's
Spray.
basically hiding from us
So pick
because
it up.
no, I'm not gonna do that.
Yeah, you can. It won't do anything to you.
Yeah, but it's for your spike. I'm not gonna try that.
You can, like, maybe tap it with a fork or a stick and turn it over.
Guys, would you dare to touch this?
Hello.
It's hiding.
Careful. It won't do anything to you. Remember the guy picked it up?
Yeah. I'm gonna try to touch it. Touch one spine. Oh, I touch it. Well, I touch it, guys. Look. Wow, that's crazy. Man, have you ever seen one in the wild?
Hey?
Have you ever seen one in the wild?
No, never.
Wow, that's
The
amazing.
view. Hey.
Yeah, this view is wicked. Yeah. It's a beautiful view, but seems very unsafe to fish as well. By the way of them big down there. Yeah, so my brother-in-law knows the spot. They have been here before and catch fish. Look at this, guys. We have kangaroo poo, yeah, so. Yeah, man. Lots of kangaroo. Look, that's kangaroo poo, Baba.
Kangaroo?
Yeah, but don't touch it. Yeah, only if every weapon this I feel like kangaroo shit. Literally. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, this is the spot where we're gonna fish today. Yeah, nice little beach area, and you have the rocks over there, rocks over that end as well. Hey Bobo. So now gonna go for my first cast. Try this spot right here first, guys. It's a bit chilly here. So now gonna go for my first cast. Try this spot right here first, guys. It's a bit chilly here. Woo-hoo. Ooh, that's cold. That is cold. Gonna try go up on this rock. There we go. Wow, I made it up. Shit, I didn't wear my shoes though. Let's see if this place have something to offer me. Waves them really strong. My line is like all the way over this side, guys, washing into shore. My bait is still on, so I got no bite there, so I think it's best I try somewhere else, as my bait still come back after about 3 casts. location.
Okay, we're going to get to that one there.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, straight through there.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay.
There should be us. Yeah.
Oh.
Keep going that way there.
This one?
This is where I was fishing.
Oh, down here?
But
Baiting that. Call in the fish them. Yeah, maybe if I can get a rock. Alright guys, so fishing time. Let's see what this place have to offer. Oh dear. We have the last bit of sunlight here, guys. It's quite cold, trust me. I seen that. Just got a bite. It's stuck. This direction. Reel it up. Yeah. Reel it up some more. Throw it over this way. Yeah. In here.
This is where you're supposed to fish. Seems a lot calmer for real. Do you want to try it there?
Next time.
Just like 10 minutes.
So guys, leaving here. My brother-in-law, they're gonna stay and fish, but it's quite cold.
He can't handle the cold. No,
Yeah.
it's cold. He's not prepared.
Yeah, and yeah, I haven't really feel a bite what makes sense really. So yeah, I'm gonna leave here. I'm gonna bring little Island. He's gonna be upset because he likes to be around his uncles and hang out at the beach, so you know where that go. Yeah, but give thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one. Blessings all the time.